In the Midwest, our harsh winter climate ensures most roadwork and infrastructure updates all happen during the warmer summer months. Summer has been affectionately known as construction season. Driving through Des Plaines this summer, or any summer, you might encounter delays or road closures due to ongoing construction projects. Hopefully, the inconvenience is outweighed by the smoother travel around town or more efficient operations you experience for years to come. Two major projects that were underway during the summer of 2022 included the installation of box culverts in the Cindy Lane and Forest Avenue area and the installation of a stormwater lift station at Lake Opeka.
Stormwater box culverts are used to primarily increase stormwater storage on local streets and areas that we have increased flooding. They're larger 10-foot by 8-foot diameter concrete boxes that'll help convey more water to our local streams and creeks and eventually drain to the Des Plaines River. The Area 4 and the Cindy Forest stormwater improvements were paid for by COVID relief funds. The city received a little less than $8 million to construct these two areas. Both will be completed by December of 2022. We constructed stormwater box culverts in the Cindy and Forest area, as well as the Deborah, Sandy, and Westmere area of Area 4 that were done with the Stormwater Master Plan.
The City of Des Plaines partnered with the Des Plaines Park District to install the lift station at Lake Opeka.
The stormwater lift station that was installed at Lake Opeka on the southern end of the city was there primarily for stormwater. It'll help drain Lake Opeka to the existing city storm sewer. The water essentially is pumped out from the pump station to the storm sewer that's in Howard Avenue. A lift station is more like your sump pump. It's a larger scale. The pumps inside are 24-inch diameter pumps compared to what your average homeowner sump pump is, but you're essentially pumping that water up and out of the wet well into the city stormwater system. The Lake Opeka stormwater pumping station was installed this fall and now will be fully operational by January 2023.
In addition to these major infrastructure projects, the city also facilitated several other improvement projects around town. Water mains were replaced, storm sewers were rehabbed, and streets were repaved. Our team of engineers managed $15 million of projects this summer alone. Thank you for your hard work to keep our city running smoothly. Partner agencies like the Illinois Department of Transportation have been working on projects around town. While we do not directly manage these projects, we are grateful for the investment in our community. You probably encountered a reroute or some additional traffic due to the closure on Northwest Highway. This $5.7 million project on the section of road known as the S-curve includes reconstructing and resurfacing the road, installing new storm sewer pipes, and building retaining walls for a future side path. This work paves the way for additional improvements later on. The city plans to create a pedestrian and bicycle underpass that will run under the train tracks.
The city's 2023 capital improvement program will consist of new water main installation, as well as road reconstruction, resurfacing, and rehabilitation of the city's roads and streets. We plan on spending about $13 million in 2023. The City Council approved an additional $1.75 million for street resurfacing, so you'll see a lot more resurfacing around the city than we did in the past couple of years.
Des Plaines' proximity to road, rail, and air transportation make it a desirable location for industry. However, that means we've got more railroad crossings per capita than any other city. They don't call Des Plaines Des Trains for nothing. This summer, the Union Pacific Railroad repaired 7 crossings within the city limits. The improvements included total reconstruction of the crossing, including new concrete panels and rails. Hopefully, these updates to the crossings will increase crossing signal efficiency and result in a smoother ride around town for you and your family. Visit desplaines.org/capital projects if you want to find out more about our capital projects and plans for upcoming improvements. Visit desplaines.org/mycity to sign up for our construction alerts and stay up to date with road closures and traffic updates.